before listing a home is a question that I actually get asked often by people when they're ready to sell their home. What should you expect? After working with so many sellers over the years in the Fayetteville area, it's a question that I get asked all the time, as I should. Hi, I'm Solaita with Fathom Realty. Well, we need to get your home ready for sale, so what's next? You really need to be careful not to just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. This video will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I will give you the listing contract to sign. Once we have an executed agreement, we'll then schedule an appointment for me to come back and give you a few pointers on actually how to stage, declutter, and depersonalize your home to get the maximum return on your investment, which is what everybody wants. This is really essential because research actually shows the importance of staging or being show ready in relation to the amount of money you'll actually get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. Once your home is in show ready condition, then we'll schedule the professional photographer to come to your home and they'll capitalize on all the unique features of the home. Once we get the photos back, we'll work on all of the back-end digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign and put it in the MLS. It is much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. And please know, by just posting your home on a Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of people actually are seeing it. So I actually properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going into the MLS. I will also go over all the disclosures with you so you have these available for buyers to actually look at and they are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. And don't forget, we go on to all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we are there. Now that we're live, you can actually expect showings to be scheduled so agents can bring their clients and walk through the home so they can see it. The buyer's agent will always accompany their buyers, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that will actually determine how long it will take for your home to sell. As always, I'm Solaita with Fathom Realty, and I hope you have a blessed day.